Welcome back to the channel, guys. I was contacted by Andycine a couple of weeks ago and asked if I would review one of their new monitors. It is a 5.5-inch 4K touchscreen with aluminum housing. And so I said I would. But the first thing I want to do is open the box. So once I get the box open, then I can start using it, and then I'll have a review for you guys, and we'll see how much I like it. So let's get started. Alright, so this is 4K 60 touchscreen HDR monitor, X5 version. It has a lot of things it does, it says on the side. I won't go through and read them all, but I will when we do the review. So let's cut in the box and see what we got right now. But I'm looking forward to this monitor. It's I've got one of the Andycines, one of the older ones, but this one is a lot nicer version than the other one that I had. So let's check it out and see what we got. I always struggle to get into these boxes. Okay, here we go. All right, and there's what you open it up. There's our inside. Let's see if I can get this part to open. All right, there we go. Okay, and here are our instructions. A little cleaning cloth. It comes with, oh, and the case. Andycine, I do love the cases that Andycine puts their monitors in. I had almost forgotten about this little case. But I do love these things right here. This the case it comes with. That's just a nice touch right there. I like that. It's really, really nice. So we'll unzip it and see what's in here. And so I can tell already there's a lot of goodies on the top, and then our main screen is going to be at the bottom. Let's take out the top part and see what we got at the top part first. There's a lot in here. So there is our cable. And then it comes with this you can put on top of a camera bracket, like if you got your camera. I don't have mine over here. I just got a new one for my Lumix G9mkii. I got a small rig case to go around it, and it looks really nice. Well, this will go on top of that and help me angle the screen back and forth. So that's a nice inclusion. I like that. This is probably a battery. And it is, yeah. Okay, it comes with a battery. That's another nice touch. I didn't expect it to come with a battery. But this is one of the MP batteries it comes with. Charge these up, you can go a long time with these little monitors. So let's see here what we got. So let's get to the main part of our box opening here, which is the screen that they say is 5.5 inches, 4K. And I can tell right off the bat one thing I really like about this. The other Andycine monitor I've got was pretty good, but the one thing it had was it didn't feel, of course it was a lot cheaper monitor too, so for its price range it was pretty good. But this one I can tell right out of the pack is feels much more built. It feels like it is built really well. It's aluminum, I believe it is. I'm not going to pull the screen cover off yet. I'm going to show you the front. And then here is the back. And this is where you take and put your battery. So you just push the battery down on there to get the battery on it. So, and then we've got our on-off button on the side, and then we've got buttons on the top. I like that. Menu. I like having physical buttons instead of having to press and roll things. I like the buttons. And we've got our HDMI in, HDMI out, our power connector. But I really, really like the feel. Here's the older. This is the older Andycine monitor that I had, and it worked fine. It was a lot, about half the price of this one, and it feels like it's not quite made as good as this new one. But here's the old one, and here is the new one. So I really, really like the way this one feels much more than the old one. I can't wait to start using it. I'm going to take it and put it on my Lumix G9mkii when I'm making videos and turn it around facing me so that I'm not always looking at that little bitty screen that flips out from the back of the camera. So I'll be able to see myself 5.5 inches in 4K, 60 frames per second nonetheless. So anyway, but the special things this thing says it has, I'll go over a few. It's 4K aluminum. I love that. It's 12,000 nit. It's got touchscreen, HDMI 2. It's got the custom 3D LUTs, HDR monitoring, and 9x16 monitor. So 9x16 marker. So it's got a lot it'll do. So I'm looking forward to getting this on the camera and starting to use it and see what I think about it. But just right off the bat, I really love the way this feels. It just feels like it is made really, really well. It seems lately, we've done a lot of box opening lately, and I pulled out a lens of the day that had a really, you could tell that that lens was built really well. So we've had quite a few box openings the last week or so on the channel, but that just means we're going to have a lot of cool videos coming up where we're going to be trying out the gear that we've opened the boxes for. Right now we're having fairly bad weather in our area. It's either really cold one day or pouring down rain the next. So I've had some lenses I've wanted to go outside and test, but the weather hasn't permitted with us, and I didn't want to do it inside on a background because you just can't get that really cool depth of field, and it's a lens that goes down to 0.95. And I really want you guys to see what that looks like on depth of field outside, because you can tell so much better. We've opened up quite a few different things, and this will be a high priority because I really want to get the review on this. I'm really excited about trying this. I wish you guys could feel how this is made. I'm really impressed. If you can hear my nail hitting that. It's not plastic at all. That's aluminum. That's really nice. So I am very excited, and thank you to Andycine for letting me try this. Now, they did send me this, and I can keep it, but they have nothing to say over my review. And you guys know I'm going to shoot straight with you. If I like it, I'll tell you I like it. If I don't like it, I'll tell you I don't like it and what I don't like about it. So just I like to be open with you guys. They did send it to us and tell me I could keep it, but as always, I will give you my true thoughts and feelings on how it works or not, so you don't have to worry about that. But I look forward to getting some of this stuff we've opened up over the last week or so, getting it out and getting it in use in the field and showing you guys how it works and what we like and what we don't like. Anyway, I appreciate it, guys. Hope you guys all had a good Christmas this last week. For helping you guys out, give us a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and let's get started on this new year. I appreciate it. You guys have a great day. Thank you.